Good job. Where's the circle? Good job. Next. Get the next one. Good job. Yes. Put it in there. Hexagon. Good job. Square. Fantastic. Parallelogram. Turn it this way. Good job. Next. Where does it go? Okay, well, where does it go? Jasmine. Come on, put it away. Good job. Where's the diamond? Yay, you did it.
Well, she didn't do all of them.